Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and in this video I'm going to cover the Bella 12 Cup Programmable Coffee Maker. Alright, the Bella 12 Cup Programmable Coffee Maker. Picked this up on Amazon. Time of recording price is $47.49. That was for the plum color. They have different colors, and depending on which color you get, that will determine the price, but I think most of them are $47.49. And that time of recording price, that's like late August 2025. I'm gonna get right into the demo, make a pot of coffee, but first I'm just gonna show what it comes with real quick. Comes with a scoop. This is equal to 1 tablespoon. We have a gold tone mesh filter. And the filter basket holder. Small shower head. So look inside the water reservoir. And on the side of the unit we have the water level indicator. 4 cups all the way up to 12 cups. A quick look at the carafe. And we have level indicators of water and coffee. The warming dish. And also, if you don't want to use the gold tone filter that it comes with, this mesh filter, you can use a basket style filter. 8 to 12 cup size. These right here. But for this demo, I'm just going to use the filter that comes with it. Alright, now we're going to make a full pot of coffee. I went ahead and I filled the carafe up to the water level line. 12 cups. And we're going to add 12 scoops of a medium ground coffee. Alright, now I'm going to show the control panel real quickly. I'm going to plug it in. It's going to flash 12 o'clock, and the first thing we're going to do is set the clock, set the current time. In this example, let's say like 3:30 p.m. And let's say you don't have to do this. If you just want to put the water in and put the grounds in and just start the unit, you just press this brew off button. That's like an on-off button, and it'll start brewing right away. If you want to take advantage of the programmable timer, first you'll set the clock, and then you'll go ahead and you'll set the time you would like for it to start in the morning. So we'll set the time to do 3:30 p.m. Let's just head over to the hour and minute buttons. You have an AM, PM indicator, and we'll just hold that down until we get to 3. It scrolls really quick. Go to minute, get to 3:30 p.m. Once you release, it'll flash a couple of seconds, then the current time is set. To set the programmable timer, same thing, you would just press this real quickly and set the time you would like for it to start in the morning. So let's just say in this example 5:10 a.m. Just press that, it'll flash. And we'll go over and we'll just select 5 and then 10. That way we have a nice even number for timing. And once it stops flashing, once again, the time for it to start at 5:10 a.m. is good to go. And you want to see that program button illuminated. If you don't, it will not start in the morning. So just make sure you see that illuminated. Also, there is a bold feature that this coffee maker comes with. It doesn't have a dedicated button, but if you want a bold cup, we're just going to leave it on classic for this demo, but if you want like a more stronger cup, you would just hold in that program button and you'll see this little, I guess, coffee bean icon show up in the display. So we'll just do that right now just to show for the example. You have to hold it in here, you see it pop up there. It's like a little coffee bean. That's for a more bold cup, but for this demo we're just going to leave it to classic. So if you want to get rid of that, hold it in until it goes away. There we go. And that's it. That's basically how you use the control panel. Right, just about complete. Just switched over to the countdown timer. Couldn't see it. It went from 5:10 to 5:22. So figure about 12 minutes for the full pot, like a minute a cup. All right, 164 Fahrenheit. That's acceptable. Just going to put in some milk so everyone gets an idea of strength. Also, once it's done brewing, a timer will display, and that will count down up to 2 hours and then automatically turn off the warming plate. Let's see how it came out. Yeah, I mean, for the price and the fact that you get a nice amount of colors, that's what I like. This nice plum color. I think there was blossom, oat milk or oatmeal. That was another color, like what you see in the manual here. You know, you take into consideration that you get nice colors, decent features, basic features, like a basic Mr. Coffee would come with. Nice heat, and the flavor is good. Really good flavor. I'm going to do another sip. Not too hot, but definitely not warm. That 164, I'm pushing 165. That's a good temperature. Yeah, you have the bold feature. I don't think it's needed. That came out fine. I used like a medium. What is this? I'll show the coffee. What did I use? Colombian. Medium roast. And we use the medium ground. I say medium ground, a medium grind if you grind your own beans. But yeah, good coffee maker. I would compare it to the Mr. Coffee 12-cup programmable coffee maker before you like commit to this one. And once again, I like the color options. That's something new. Instead of just like a black or a white. And that's going to be it. I thank you for watching if you made it this far. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you in my next one.